Hello and welcome back to the Stepping Bricks YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Giuseppe Palladini and I'm here to talk about budgeting. So many people ask me, Giuseppe, how do I get a budget in place? How can I save money? How can I make money? Well, first of all, you need to understand that before you can make money, you need to understand how to manage your budget. If you can't manage what you earn, you can't manage what you spend. So this is important because if you want to become wealthy, then you need to understand the principles of money and budgeting and economy. So there are 4 steps for making a good budget of your income. The first step is to calculate your net income. Why am I talking about the net income and not the gross income? Because if you just consider your salary, that is your gross income. After tax, after the national insurance, after pension and all the stuff, then you will be left with a net income. So your net income is the key for understanding exactly how much money is coming into your bank account every single month. Number 2 is track your spending. What do I mean by that? Many people, again, when they ask me how to budget better their income, download your bank statements. So you can, if you do online banking, that's easy. You can do it from your mobile on your computer, or if you don't do online banking, you can go to your branch and then you can ask them to give you a bank statement of your expenditures and income every single month. Now, if you do that for the last 6 months, and then review everything, you can calculate on average how much money you're getting, how much money you're spending, and then you know exactly what is left at the end of each month. Why do I know this? Because that was one of the key moments in my life when I decided there was time for a change, time to do something and invest in property. Don't get me wrong, we want toys, we want things, but that doesn't mean they're necessary, okay? We don't need them probably. So for example, let's take streaming providers. You might have Netflix, you might have Disney Plus, Sky, Amazon Prime. Now, do you need all of them, or can you cut down a little bit and probably choose 1 or 2, and then, or at least you can pause them for a few months, and then when you're in a better position, you can start them again. This will help massively your monthly expenditure. Number 3 is make a business plan of your expenses and income. Now, when you make a plan, remember, you need to stick to it, because if you make a plan and then you don't stick to it, then it's a bit pointless, let's be honest. So you need to make a plan, you need to understand where you are spending the money, and then you can apply your 50-30-20 rule. Now, what is the 50-30-20 rule? 50% of your income should be spent for needs, okay, things that you actually need, mortgages, any payments that are extremely necessary, food, petrol if you're driving to work, etc. 30% is things that you want, okay, so 30% of your income can be put aside for things that you want, and the 20% basically is the 20% you can set aside from your income for emergencies or things that are necessary for your future. For example, if you have kids, you might want to put savings aside in an ISA or in another saving account that can then pay for education for your children later down the line. Finally, number 4, which is review regularly your plan and your budget. It's okay to have a plan, it's okay to have a budget, but over time your circumstances will change. For example, let's say you have a pay rise, so you earn more. Now the temptation will be to spend more because your lifestyle will increase. So you think you can afford more, but the problem is you're paying for more liabilities and you have exactly the same income. So even if the income, increases £50 per month every year, that doesn't mean you can spend all those £50 per month in another thing, in another toy, in another subscription, in another whatever you're planning to do. It's important to review regularly your budget, and if you need to make changes, then you go back to number 1, make changes, and then you'll be always on track to have a healthy income and a disciplined expenditure plan. Now, I hope this content will be useful for you. If you like, subscribe, share the channel with everybody if you can, and comment back in the section below so I can see what your thoughts are in this matter. See you in the next video. My name is Dr. Giuseppe Palladini and I'm the founder of Stepping Bricks. Bye bye for now.